Hello everyone, I'm Vanila and welcome back to my channel. For today I would like to show you something that I've made with my own hands, which is this pullover, this sweater, which is very warm, is made of wool. It's made of wool. I hope you like it as much as I do. It keeps me warm this winter. These are warming shorts, so don't be surprised why I wear them. I made it on purpose multicolored, so I hope you like it.
Angels with silver wings shouldn't know suffering. I wish I could take the pain for you. If God has a master plan, and only He understands. I hope it's your eyes.
Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video. So, Vanila. See you soon.